Good morning to all. The last day we discussed some definitions and theorems. The first theorem, the A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Then definition A square matrix A is singular if determinant of A is equal to 0. A square matrix A is not singular if determinant of A not equal to 0. Another theorem, if A and B are square matrix of same order and non singular, then AB and BA are non singular. If A and B are non singular, then AB and BA are non singular. Then another theorem we have studied, the product of square matrix, determinant of product of matrix is equal to product of their respective determinant. Then another important theorem we studied, A is invertible if and only if A is non-singular. Then again A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Then today the reversal law. Reversal law is AB dot inverse is equal to AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Reversal law, AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Reversal law. As like we studied in the third chapter, transpose, reversal law on transpose of S matrix. AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Reversal law on inverse, AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Then another, we have studied the theorem 1, matrix A into adj is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I, identity matrix. Take a determinants on both sides, A into adj is equal to determinant of A into determinant of I. That is equal to determinant of A into determinant of I. That is theorem. Determinant of product of matrices is equal to product of their respective determinant. Determinant of A into determinant of I is equal to always 1. Therefore, determinant of A into adj is equal to determinant of A. Again apply the product rule. Determinant of A into adj is equal to adj into determinant of A into adj is equal to determinant of A into determinant of adj is equal to determinant of A into I. That determinant of A. This is always A raised to determinant of A raised to N. Therefore, determinant of A into adj is equal to First result, determinant of A raised to n. First reversal law. Second is A into determinant of A into adj is equal to determinant of A the whole raised to n. Again, determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1. Third result, first reversal law, AB into AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Second, determinant of A into adj is equal to determinant of A raised to n. And determinant of adj is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1. Then another result, if A is equal to K into matrix B, A and B are matrix of same order, then determinant of A is equal to K raised to n into determinant of B. So number 4 result, AB inverse is equal to AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse, and the determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to n. Determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised n minus 1. If A is equal to KB, K and A and B are a square matrix of same order, K is a scalar, then determinant of A is equal to K raised to n into K. So if example, if A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, find 3A, determinant of 3A. If A is equal to determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, find a determinant of 3A. Answer, first we find 3A. 3A is equal to 3 into matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, into 3 into 4, 12. Then determinant of 3A is equal to 3 into 12 main diagonal product minus off diagonal product. Then 36 minus 54. 36 minus 54. The answer is minus 18. Three raised to n, K is 3. K is equal to 3, n is equal to, A is a square matrix of order 2, n is equal to 2, constant is K is equal to 3. Then K raised to n into determinant of A is equal to, K is 3, 3 raised to 2 into determinant of A, 1, 2, 3, 4. is equal to 3 into 3, 9 into determinant of A 4 minus 6 is equal to 9 into minus 2 is equal to minus 18. This is a verification. That was therefore we can say that determinant of 3A is equal to K raised to n into determinant of A. Important result. If A is equal to KB, A and B are of same order, then determinant of A is equal to K raised to n into determinant of B. Verification. So this is for important result. Remember reverse law. and determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to n, and determinant of adj is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1, and if A is determinant of k into A is equal to k raised to n into determinant of n. This is important for result. Using reversal law we can apply. Question: if A is equal to 3, 4, 1, 2, B is equal to minus 1, 2, 2, 1. Verify that AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Verify if A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix is 3, 4, 1, 2 and B is equal to minus 1, 2, 2, 1. Verify that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. First we find the AB. AB is equal to matrix 3, 4, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 2, 1, multiply first row into first column multiplication 3 into minus 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2, that one. Again first row with the second column 3 into 2 plus 4 into column number 2, 1. Again R1, R2 second row with the first column 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Again second row with the second column 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Result is minus 3 plus 8, 5. 3 into 2, 6 plus 4, 10. Minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4 is the product. Then find A inverse, AB inverse. AB inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of the matrix AB. That was the result we have studied. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of into adjoint of. Here the matrix is AB. AB inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint. So first we find AB, determinant of AB. Determinant of AB is equal to product of main diagonal 5 into 4 minus 3 into 10 is equal to 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 10. Adjoint of AB is equal to interchange the AB square matrix, interchange the main diagonal elements. In the case of 2 by 2 square matrix, adjoint of A1 interchanging the main diagonal elements. 4, 5 and 4 interchange. Off diagonal sign change. 10 positive 10 become minus 10, 3 become minus 3. Therefore, AB inverse is equal to 1 by minus 10 into matrix 4 minus 10 minus 3 5. Similarly, B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. 1 by determinant of B is equal to, determinant of B is equal to 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 into adjoint of B is equal to, interchange the main diagonal elements, 1 minus 1 plus 2 become off diagonal sign change, minus 2 minus 2. Similarly, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, 1 by A. Determinant of A is equal to product of main diagonal 3 into 2, 6 minus 1 into 4. 3 into 2, 6 minus 4 into determinant adjoint of A. Main diagonal elements 3 and 2 interchange 2, 3. Off diagonal sign change. Therefore, B inverse into A inverse is equal to 1 by minus 5 into matrix 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 into determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 by 2, 6 minus into 2 minus 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore, 1 by minus 5 into 2 minus 10 into product 1 into 2, 2 plus minus 2 into 1, 2. Again 1 into minus 4 plus minus 2 into minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Again second row with column 1, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Again second row with second column, minus 4 into minus 4, 8, minus 1 into 3, then result to become, going on this result to become 1 by minus 10 into, we got a AB inverse 4 minus 10 and minus 3, last one 5. Minus 3, that was 5. So, AB, we can conclude that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. First to find AB, then AB inverse 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. Determinant AB, adjoint of AB, then substitute left hand side. Left hand side. Then take a right hand side, B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of B. Determinant of B 5, minus 5, 1 by minus 5 into adjoint of B, this A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of adjoint of A, determinant of A is equal to 2, 1 by 2 into main diagonal interchange, off diagonal sign change. Then again product result same. Next, If A is equal to question matrix 2, 3, 1, 2. Show that A square minus 4A plus identity matrix I is equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. This is the method. First we find the equation. This O is the zero matrix. Here this is zero matrix. Identity I is the identity matrix. I is the identity matrix of order 2 because A is a square matrix of order 2, then I2. I is identity matrix I2. So first you find A square. A square into A 2, 3, 1, 2 into 2, 3, 1, 2. Not directly multiply first row, first row with first column, first row with second column, first row completed, second row with first column, multiply first second row with second column, multiply 2 into 2 plus 3 into column number 1 second plus 3 into 1. Again row 1 with 2 into second column 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2. Again 1 into 2 second row with the column 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Again 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2. Then result is 2 into 2 4 plus 3 7. 2 into 3 6 plus 6 12. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 4 7. This is the product. Then left hand side take. Left hand side is A square minus 4A plus identity I2. A square we found A 7 12 4 7 minus 4A. A is equal to 2 3 1 2. Then 4A is equal to 2 into 2 4 is equal to 4 into 2 8. 4 into 3 12. 4 into 1 4. 4 into 2 8 plus identity matrix of order 2 1 0 0 1. Then simplify, adding corresponding terms 7 minus this is minus 8 plus 1. Again 12 minus 12 minus plus 0. 4 minus 4 plus 0. Again corresponding 7 plus 8 7 minus 8 plus 1. Then answer become 0 0 0. This is the zero matrix. So result is here. So this is a proof. A square minus 4A is equal to. Then we got A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. Then from this equation, algebraic equation, find A inverse. First we convert I on right side. Then we get I on right side. We get what? A square minus 4A is equal to minus I. Multiplying by A inverse. Then we get A inverse into A square is A into A minus 4a into a inverse is equal to minus I into a inverse. So we get a inverse into a is I. Ia minus 4i is equal to minus a inverse. So I into a is equal to a minus 4i is equal to a inverse. Therefore, a inverse is equal to reverse minus a inverse is equal to 4i minus a. Interchange multiply each term by minus 1. 4 into I, 4i is equal to 4, 0, 0, 4 minus a. A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2. Subtract corresponding 11, 4 minus 2, 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 2. This is the A inverse. So, from the equation, second degree equation, prove the equation a square minus, first prove the equation for a square minus 4a plus I is equal to 0. Find a square, a into a minus 4a substitute plus I to substitute, then result become 2 by 2, 0, 0, matrix is 0, 0, 0, 0. Then from the equation take a I on right side, multiply each term by A inverse, result this. This is A inverse. Assignment. If A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 5, B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. Verify that AB log inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Second question, if A is equal to 3, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 2, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. Thank you. I stop here.